Snap day 1 done. 2 slots in Snap day 1. In this video, you will find everything relevant to slot 2 general English and verbal reasoning questions. So total 21 questions, and through this video, you can easily anticipate what questions could be coming in day 2 and day 3. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. I'm Jessica from Tarkashastra, and this is Snap day 1 slot 2. Okay, so 21 questions in total. Some topics had more than one question. So we will take up every single question in detail. Okay, every single concept as well. For example, there were 2 para-jumble questions. There was one question on active passive voice. Okay, it was not that easy, I would say. So when you're revising your active passive voice, I also recommend you revise your first person, second person, third person pronouns, everything, and what changes to what in active passive voice. So please revise thoroughly. Compound words, there was a one compound word given, king. अभी king के साथ अलग अलग words लगा दिए गए थे. We had to find which of the following is not a compound word. Okay, so it wasn't too difficult, I would say. Then there was one question on subject verb agreement where the statement had as well as. So tell me in the comment section, when there is as well as with 2 subjects, what do? Do you use singular or plural form of verb? Think about it and let me know in the comments. अभी synonyms and antonyms का भी आया था. There were 5 good words given and you had to match them with 5 other words. They could be synonyms of them or they could be antonyms of those. Okay, I would say fairly the first 2 were easy. The first one was prelogue. Prelogue का opposite है epilogue. Okay, but prelogue का synonym है forward. So forward करके एक word था. That was easy to find. Mar. Okay, the car was marred by my enemies. Marred मतलब deface. Deface करके उससे आप match कर सकते थे. So I think there were a couple of familiar words, but maybe not all of them were familiar. So you could have used options to, figure out, use your root words and match some of those. So the matching could have been, let's say, a bit moderate. Not too easy, but not too hard either. For this, you probably had to know at least 2 to 3 words to match and get your option correct. Okay, now there are modal verbs. I hope you know what modals are. If you don't, I have a very good video on parts of speech that you must check out. But there was a sentence where you had to identify which of the following words are modal. Okay, very easy. It was very easy. It was like a free mark. If you know what modals are, fatafat tick karke within 2 seconds, you could have moved on to the next question. If you don't, it's not too late to revise. So quickly revise so you can, cover up in the day 2 and day 3 slot. एक suffixes पे भी question आया था, but not too difficult. कैसा question आया था? 3 से 4 words थे. Okay, there was highness, harness, happiness, and then there was one more word. Okay, now you had to find which of the following words में ness का suffix लगा नहीं है. Okay, like इसमें ness का suffix है. So if you remove ness, this is a word. If you remove ness, this is a word. But here ness is not used as a suffix. Harness में ness suffix नहीं है, क्योंकि ness हटा दो तो har is not a word at all. Okay, so वैसे questions भी आते हैं. Again, super easy if you know what suffixes and prefixes do. In actuality, it would have been easy for you to eliminate and proceed with questions. If you don't, not too late to revise again. Okay, 2 idioms. Again, there are no RC, so the SNAP consortium is sort of trying to, make up more vocab questions to finish the 15 questions it has. So there were 2 idioms. What idioms? I remember those idioms as well. That's the kind of service we provide you guys. What are the 2 idioms? The first one was putting your best foot forward. ये वाले idiom को ऊपर sentence में use किया गया था and नीचे 4 option दिए गए थे where you had to guess the meaning of this idiom. So it could have been easy, even contextually भी आप कर सकते थे. But second वाले में क्या problem था? एक case दे दिया गया था. Now what was the case? A rich friend, okay? A rich friend had a car जिसमें एक चीज खराब थी. तो what does this friend says? I will dispose of the car entirely. ओके, ये केस था। अभी इस केस पे आपको ईडियम चूज करनी थी। 3 ईडियम्स एकदम बकवास थी, आई डोंट थिंक वो ईडियम्स भी थी, बट इसका करेक्ट आंसर था throwing the bath water out with the baby, means disposing something entirely if only one part or something about it is wrong. Okay, ये वाला idiom भी आया था. So it's a good time for you to revise all your idioms, all your phrases, all your proverbs. और भी questions थे. कैसे questions थे? More parts of speech. Okay, very easy. If you know parts of speech, I don't think revising or preparing your parts of speech should take more than 30 minutes. If you knew parts of speech, that was like a free mark. Okay, sentence क्या था? मेरे पास sentence भी है आपके लिए. What was the sentence? Voila, let's hang up this painting. Now it's not exactly the same, but the answer, the words are very close. The first word was voila, the other word was up. ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या करना था? वोला क्या है? इज इट इंटरजेक्शन और प्रेपोजिशन? और अप क्या है? इंटरजेक्शन और प्रेपोजिशन. दैट्स इट. ऐसे ही ऑप्शंस बने थे. सो इफ यू नो व्हाट योर इंटरजेक्शंस आर, इट वुड हैव बीन इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई इनमें से इंटरजेक्शन क्या है और प्रेपोजिशन क्या है. सिंपल. Okay, then there was again a vocab usage. एक ही sentence में you had to use differ, defer and defer differently. Okay, so for this, these are close sounding words. Okay, these are what? What are these called? Close sounding word. Homo. Tell me in the comments. I think you know. Homo. Think. Next आया था appropriate word. You had to choose the appropriate word. I remember the sentence again, only for you. What was the sentence? Heat pads is dash to players as they need them often. What are heat pads to players? Are they unctuous? Are they ubiquitous? Are they lethargic? Or are they unusual? You had to choose the most appropriate word. For this, you had to know the meaning of almost all of these words. Do you? Do you know the meaning of unctuous? Do you know the meaning of ubiquitous? Guess it and let me know in the comments what should be the answer for this question. एक modifiers का भी question आया था. I don't think it's too late. You must revise modifiers and parallelism. If you need a video on modifiers and parallelism, let me know in the comments because I don't mind making a quick video on it. Okay? But modifiers में क्या आया था? Fortunately or easily modifiers ने इनको हर जगह place कर दिया गया था in the wrong places. You had to identify which statement places these modifiers at the appropriate place. ठीक है? The sentence should have been read like this. Fortunately, our professors live on campus, so we can easily meet them. Okay, बाकी options इससे थोड़ा distort कर रहे थे. So all you had to do was place the modifier to the correct subject. That's it. Last था वो parts of speech है, ये figures of speech है. Figures of speech, your metaphor, simile, oxymoron, all of those. I had made a video on those that as well. नहीं देखा ना? जाके देख. अभी देख. Figures of speech तो आएगा, चाहे slot 3 हो, slot 4 हो, date 5 हो, कोई भी डे पे हो, snap में figures of speech तो आएगा ही आएगा. मैंने over 10 figures of speech किए थे, जाके देख. Figures of speech. What was the figure of speech? It was a dialogue from Charles Dickens' book, The Tale of Two Cities. It was the best of time, it was the worst of times. ठीक है, पूरा नहीं लिखा है मैंने. Unfortunately, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. ठीक है, होना क्या चाहिए? ये होना चाहिए ये एंटीथीसिस. एंटीथीसिस क्या है पता होना चाहिए, बट एंटीथीसिस मतलब ऑपोजिट आइडियाज. होना चाहिए एंटीथीसिस, बट एंटीथीसिस ऑप्शन में था ही नहीं. तो स्टार्टिंग में था इट वॉज द बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम्स, इट वॉज द वर्स्ट ऑफ टाइम्स, इट वॉज रिपीट हो रहा था. और एक ही चीज में रिपीट होता है, वो है एनाफोरा. The first rule of Fight Club, we do not talk about Fight Club. The second rule of Fight Club, we do not talk about Fight Club. Okay, anaphora में starting के phrase repeat होते हैं. ठीक है, epigram में क्या होता है? Funny statements. Author tries to express something in a clever way. Interjection क्या होता है? You must know. Or let me know. Interjection similar to the parts of speech. Interjection या exclamation करके भी एक parts of speech है. What is it called? Let me know. ठीक है, अभी verbal reasoning के almost 8 to 10 questions आए थे because there was a gray area which I'm not sure where to segregate it to. So verbal reasoning में थोड़ी सी googlies आई थी. Googlies क्या है? Something that was not anticipated, some fresh questions. Okay, for example, ये वाला erratic behavior का definition दे दिया था. ठीक है, erratic behavior is so and so. Which of the following cases display erratic behavior? Wasn't too hard. If you understood the definition ऊपर, you could have easily applied the erratic behavior. Erratic मतलब unusual behavior. 3 में people were acting in an anticipated fashion. मतलब अगर उनके साथ ऐसा होगा तो इफेक्ट तो यही है. बट एक केस था जिसमें एक एम्प्लॉय था जिसको बैक टू बैक एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द मंथ मिला था. इस साल वो अचानक से अजीब बिहेव कर रहा है और अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स पे चिल्लाता है और एंगर इश्यूज डेवलप कर दिए हैं उसने. तो दिस वाज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर the erratic behavior question, because this option displayed erratic behavior. All the other options displayed very appropriate effect of the cause. So हो सकता है ये effect cause का question paraphrase कर दिया हो, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक नहीं था, ये 2 थे. ऐसे 2 questions थे. There was speculation as well. Speculation was defined. Speculation means something is made on an inconclusive evidence. Speculation was defined and you had to identify which of the following was the case displaying speculation. Analogies आई थी इस बार. Analogies तो हमेशा हम anticipate करते हैं आएंगी ही आएंगी, but analogies इस बार GK पे आई थी. And this is a googly that snapped through. Okay, क्या googly थी? ये वाली. नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन was founded by Medha Patkar. Who was Bhudan Andolan founded by? Completely irrelevant to logical reasoning or language. So ये कैसे आया? That is why this is a gray area that I was talking about. I think ये तुम्हें buffer marks पे consider करके जाने चाहिए कि अगर ये googly आ भी गई, अगर day 1 में है तो day 2, day 3 में आ सकती है. ठीक है, अगर ये googly आ भी गई तो maybe I can make up for the lost marks in some other sections. ठीक है, तो this is the exact question जो आया था. ठीक है, एक और आया था जीके पे एनालॉजी. स्पिनिंग इज रिलेटेड टू वूल. व्हाट इज पायरोटेक्निक रिलेटेड टू? इट इज एग्जैक्टली द आंसर फॉर दिस इज फायरवर्क्स. इसके अदर ऑप्शन थे लेदर, प्लास्टिक एंड सम अदर थिंग्स. ओके, द आंसर वाज फायरवर्क्स. बट आई होप यू रियलाइज certain things could come in day 2 and day 3. At least one of those slots easily. So you must be prepared. Basic surface level GK. If not, I know it's too late. If not, इसको अपने बफर मार्क में लेके चलो. ठीक है, तो जो मैथ्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अभी नहीं निकल रहे या वर्बल के कॉन्सेप्ट्स में अभी भी गलत आ रहा है, आई एम श्योर फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच के हमेशा क्वेश्चन सही नहीं आ रहे होंगे. क्विकली रिवाइज दोस. मेक अप द लॉस्ट मार्क्स फ्रॉम दोस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, two cause and effect questions. Okay, from which one was quite unique. Cause and effect क्या होता है? एक स्टेटमेंट, 2 स्टेटमेंट, दूसरा स्टेटमेंट, वो दोनों कैसे रिलेटेड है. इस बार कैसे आया था? एक तो ऐसे ही आया था, दूसरा वाला कैसे आया था? एक बड़ा सा पैराग्राफ दिया था. ओके, द बड़ा सा पैराग्राफ वाज अबाउट अर्थक्वेक. There was an earthquake in a place which caused tsunami waves. The tsunami waves were so massive, it destroyed people's houses and caused many deaths. क्या करना था इसमें? You had to identify which of the following are the effects in this scenario. Okay, so वो 3-4 दिए हुए थे. So if you had put a common cause, उसके 3-4 effects easily मिल जाते. Okay, so the questions are designed in again a very different fashion also this time. So you can anticipate, but डरने मत देना उन्हें, डराने मत देना उन्हें. Okay, don't get too scared or skeptical of these questions. Approach them in your usual way, in your usual fashion. All right? Implicit assumptions के भी दो. I mean, I hope वो तो पता ही है आएंगे. Okay, 2 implicit assumption questions. Okay, I have those questions also for you. Like karo yaar. I mean, I have that question, exactly the same question for you. Okay, so you can even assess the level of difficulty that, could be given. Okay, the first question was, a senior manager wants to conduct the annual meeting one-on-one this time. Okay, offline this time. Senior manager. Okay, now 2 assumptions given. You have to find which of them is implicit. He's retiring or he's uncomfortable with online mode. Okay, one of these is implicit conclusion assumption. You tell me in the comment box what do you think should be the answer. Is first an implicit assumption? Is second an implicit assumption? Are both implicit assumptions, or are neither of these assumptions implicit or relevant? Okay, let me know in the comments. Okay, the second question also. From next month, it has been made compulsory to log in your attendance. Okay, this was a notice given by the company. Two assumptions: the notice will be read by all employees, and the notice will benefit the company. What do you think? What do you think is an implicit assumption in this given statement? I know the answer. Okay, everybody else knows the answer. Do you know the answer? Are you prepared for day 2 and day 3? Let me know the answer in the comment box. And in the comment box, I will tell you what is the right answer to these questions. So first, let me know your answer in the comment box. ठीक है, इतना ही था. ठीक है, दो क्वेश्चंस करके भी एक टॉपिक था. So this was the entire 21, actually जीके मिला के 23 क्वेश्चंस हो रहे हैं. So almost half of snap paper you have seen. So through this, you can assess your level of difficulty of the paper, where you are right now, how much you need to prepare more, or maybe not prepare at all, maybe relax a bit, whatever. It depends on what step of the journey are you on. Okay. This is sort of something very similar that will be replicated in day 2 and day 3. So kindly prepare accordingly. If you need any more videos, we are here. We will make them for you, so you can assure that you get full marks in your exam. So let us know in the comment. Use our comment box for your good. All right. This was Jessica from Tarkashastra, and this was all you needed to know about English and VR section in Snap Day 1, Slot 2. Thank you for watching.